Hello and welcome to this tour of an '09 layout in the Grand Dubai Creek. Immediately on our left from the front door, which we've entered, we have the washing machine and big storage space actually. Plenty of space for washing machine, dryer, shoe rack, or just spare clothes and suitcases. From there we'll head past the bedrooms. In fact, we'll start at the bedrooms. Bathroom number 2, as well as the guest bathroom. Bedroom number 1, which would use that bathroom. Built-in wardrobe space. Nice views of the harbour. And over here to the distance, we'll see a bit better, but it's going to be the rest of the creek, which is ever expanding. And the master bedroom here. I really like this terrace because it gives a pretty awesome view of obviously the ocean to our right, the harbour below us, and the whole creek community. You get the real benefit from this apartment. And to the distance here past these buildings is where the rest of the community is going to be, including the structure above these 2 buildings in front of us, the world's tallest structure. Cool, let's head through, check out the ensuite. So both bedrooms come with built-in wardrobe space. This bedroom comes with a bath, shower, ensuite with his and hers sink. Some extra cupboard space here with the windows. Great quality of finish. Let's head through to the living area. So the living area is longer than the 01 and 10 or 10 series. Personal preference, I really like these ones because you have full views of downtown across the living area and kitchen. You have a kitchen window here with views of the harbour and a lot more natural light in this living room because of the floor to ceiling windows. Lovely big terrace with those amazing views of the ocean and downtown Burj Khalifa. This apartment really offers everything the Grand can give you. Being on the doorstep, you have the walk around the harbour, you've got all the views and beautiful quality of finish. Get in touch for more information via WhatsApp or give me